In this video, I will first show you how to generate subtitles from a video using AI, which is totally free. Then, I will show you how you can use these AI-generated captions to earn money from authentic sources. So don't skip any part of the video. It's going to be super easy. So first, go to Google, search for Microsoft Clipchamp, and download and install it if you haven't already. Open Clipchamp and add the video you want to generate the auto subtitles. I have this Hindi video for which I will generate auto captions. Now click Captions. You can see there are over 100 languages you can select. I will select Hindi. Click the Transcribe Media button and let it generate the subtitles. Done. Let's check.
एक दिन गंजी चुड़ैल बिरजू के होटल में मछली खाने आती है। बिरजू उसे एक मछली दे देता है। चुड़ैल उसे खा लेती है, लेकिन जाते समय वो वहाँ एक जादुई मछली रखकर चली जाती है।
Okay, let's generate the AI auto captions for a video in another language. This video is in English, so I will select English and let it generate the subtitles. It has now generated the subtitles with timestamps. If you want, you can either make changes to the captions directly in Clipchamp or download these subtitles in SRT format and use any text editor to make edits. Now let's explore how we can use these generated subtitles and earn money online from authentic sources. First, we Google adding subtitles jobs on Fiverr. Fiverr needs no introduction in the freelancing world, and you can see that there are a ton of related gigs. People are offering their services in a variety of languages. You can take inspiration from these and start yourself. Next, we will check Upwork. And of course, there is no question about its authenticity. It's arguably the biggest freelancing platform. And you can see that many projects need adding closed captions and subtitling services. In fact, if you Google for remote jobs with keywords like captioning jobs for beginners or subtitling jobs, you will see that there are many companies offering work for these skills. So the main point is that there are actual jobs for adding subtitles and closed captions to videos. And once you start, you can build your portfolio and reputation. This will help you attract more clients and charge higher rates. And of course, you can add subtitles and closed captions to your own videos. This can also help you reach a wider audience on all social platforms. If it was useful in any way, then please like and share the video, and consider subscribing to our channel Technocraft Insights. Thank you.